Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Volvo XC60 key fob battery. First, take a moment to identify your specific key fob model, as designs can vary slightly. Next, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Finally, set up a clean, well-lit workspace to prevent losing any small parts during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small release button, usually located on the side or bottom of the fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency key blade. Once the emergency key is removed, you'll see a small slot. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the key fob casing. Take your time and avoid excessive force to prevent damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Use your small screwdriver to carefully pry out the discharged battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. It should click securely into place. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into position. Finally, test your key fob to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working correctly. If you're looking for other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your fully functional key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.